Hi, I'm at ICRA 2026 at the Dobot stand, and I'm joined by Michael. Michael, we've just been talking about the amazing stuff that you've got showcasing here at ICRA.
Yeah.
Let's talk through it.
Yes. So let me briefly introduce our company, Dobot. We are mainly focused on robotic arms. So before previous years, we have different types of arms. Firstly, we have some small arms, like this size is mainly used for teaching, academy, or training. And meanwhile, we have other range of bigger robot, which is like a cobot from the 3 kilo to maximum to 30 kilos, and is used for mixed by automation industry, and meanwhile also for research
Yeah.
and the project. So for example, here we have a 3 kilo, it's a little small,
Yeah.
3 kilo cobot. It can used for training, automation, pick and place,
Yeah.
machine tending, etc. And in general, this is the robot part. And secondly, we also have some embodied AI product. For example, the human robot, and the human robot with the wheels,
Yeah.
and also we have the quadruped. Yes.
So by embodied AI, you mean that refers to the category of humanoid robots, right?
Exactly.
Right. And the arm robots, the one there in the corner, was sorting through different colored objects in different shapes.
Yes.
So clearly, the factory is like a key sort of market for that, right?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, one
And
point
labs.
is the factory, and
Yeah.
also we can go to the laboratory, vocational school, because it's a simulation concept to training the employee, the students, to learn different technologies, not only in the arms, but also the PLC, automation, camera, etc. Yeah.
Right.
So it's a turnkey solution for the users.
Right. And you mentioned training. I was really enjoying the teleoperation for
Yeah.
this unit here.
Yes.
So we were talking about two primary purposes of the teleoperation, right? Training
Yes.
and also remote operation, right? So
Yes.
tell me a little bit about that.
This is another turnkey solution, which is called X-Trainer.
Yeah.
And obviously, it has two functions. Firstly, the operator can control the master controller to control the arms, real time, no delay, and very stable. And secondly, you can also use this solution to connect the data to training the model. For example, our team has tried to feed the big model with 300 qualified data,
Right.
and then the solution can, let's say, wash dishes separately.
Yes, and that data is spatial data, right? That's the most valuable data
Yes.
to give a robotic arm like this. I think Scan has worked with you to get some of these robots into brands and companies in the UK, right?
Yes, it's quite impressive because in a very short time, Scan delivered the first set of X-Trainer to one startup company in UK named Visim.
VSIM, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, very cool. So this system I found really intuitive. So the training data, the spatial data that you get from this is vital for improving the sort of the dexterity and the capabilities of the arms.
Yes.
What kind of training data do you need for the humanoid robots, the embodied AI stuff?
The logic is the same, so you can also use the teleoperation, for example, the VR set to control the human robot
Right.
to connect the different data according to the application you have.
Right.
You can do the pick and place, you can do other tasks.
Hand gestures,
Hand
and
gestures.
then using the pass through on the Quest,
Yes.
the teleoperator can see what the robot is seeing, right?
Exactly.
So they can see the world in which the robot is operating and make the right sort of movements accordingly.
Yeah, you can do some interaction, shaking hands.
It's been fantastic looking at all the different robots and solutions you've got here.
Yeah.
What are you excited about for the rest of the year now?
The rest of the year, I think, well, I'm really positive to stay with the Scan because I know there are a lot of opportunities in the market, and we already took a lot of times to present more exhibition, roadshow, workshop, etc.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm quite positive and confident.
That's great to hear. Like, it's such an exciting space and a big growth area. And for all of this and more from Dobot, all their solutions, be sure to check out the SCAN website.